Here's his Lennox Diplomat central air conditioner at a church here in Etna, California. It's from '95. I don't know if that's the tonnage or what that is, but does it seem to have been running? Has a compressor blanket, so I'm not sure the kind. Probably a scroll, but can't tell for sure. Here's two more. And this one has a Copeland reciprocating compressor. So these might all have recips. This one has a blanket. It's also from '95. Yeah, these are all straight cool units. This one is also a '95. I don't think any of these have been running. Got 3 of them right here. Got another one without a compressor blanket. And these, as far as I'm aware, are the last ones on the property, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop here. Thanks for watching.